Hi everyone, today I will show you how to remove text from an existing video using CapCut. This is great if you want a cleaner look or to repurpose your video. Let's get started. The first step is to use the remove background feature if the text is overlaid. If the text is added as an overlay or separated layer, tap on the layer tab and select the text layer and hit the delete button. This will remove any text that has been added directly in CapCut. Another option is to crop out the text. If the text is part of the video itself, you can crop it out. Select the video in the timeline and tap on edit and choose crop. Adjust the cropping box to cut out the text area. Keep in mind this may affect the framing of your video. If cropping is not an option, go to effects and select basic effects like blur. Place the blur effect over the text to make it less visible. You can also use the sticker or text tool to cover the text with a solid shape or new text. And that's it guys, you've now removed or hidden text from your video in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye.